with Zuni.
Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. Welcome to Learn Arabic with Zuni. Today we are going to learn something very special. It is the very first Arabic letter and it's called Alif. Let's say it together. Alif. 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 Alif is like apple. And Alif is also what is this? Arnab. Arnab is bunny in Arabic language. So, Arnab. Arnab. Do you want to know that how we can write Alif? Alif is tall and straight like an umbrella. Can you make it with your arms? Yes, one arm up. That's how we write Alif. So Alif is just like a straight line. Like this. This is how we write Alif. Let's draw Alif in the air together. Wow, it's so fun. Okay, so we write Alif like this. This straight line. With this hand, this straight line. Can you find something in your house that starts with a sound? The things are apple, aunt, earplugs, elbow, air conditioner, and oven, iron, owl. So many words are there which we can write with Alif. The letter Ba, and it looks like a little board with a dot below. It makes the sound Ba, like ball, banana, or bus. Ba, ball, ba, banana, and ba, bus. Let's clap and say it for 3 times. Ba, ba. Ba is for Bappa, the duck, quack quack. Ba is for Bab, the door. Ba is for Bismillah, with the name of Allah. And Ba is for Baqara, the cow, moo. And Ba is for Bayda, the egg, yes. Let's learn how we can write Ba. Draw a curve, smooth and slow, then a dot, right down below. That's a lovely letter Ba. Now trace it with your little palm. Yes, there are so many words that starts with letter Ba.
Wow!
Like ba, birds, ba, banana, ba, bubbles, ba, book, ba, bed, ba, baby. Don't forget is the letter Ta. Yes, can you say it with me? Ta, 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 ta. Ta. Look at this beautiful letter. It has 2 dots on the top, like 2 tiny eyes looking at you. The sound of Ta is T, just like in the English word toy. But in English we pronounce it like T, and in Arabic we say it Ta. Ta. In English Ta, and in Arabic Ta. This is the difference. Ta, 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 ta. Look at this beautiful fruit. This is tufahun, the apple.
Yummy!
And this animal, timsahun, the crocodile.
Wow!
And this thing on my head, tajun, the crown. Look at me, I'm looking like a princess. Yay!
Wow!
Let's write this together. First, we draw a small curve, then two dots on top. Easy peasy. So friends, today we learned the letter Thaa. The small curve and two dots on top. Its sound is Thaa. This is very similar to the letter Ba. Ba has the same shape, but the dot was in the bottom. And Thaa has two dots on top like two tiny eyes. Oh, can you say this animal? No, this is so ugly. This animal is crocodile. Timsahun. Yes, look at this. Oh, I'm so afraid of this animal. Yeah. There are many words with the letter Thaa, like Tajun, the crown,
Yes.
and Tilfazun, the television,
Yes.
and Tazkiratun, ticket,
Yes.
Taqweemun, calendar,
Yes.
Telephonun, telephone. Now you have to practice this letter very carefully because it has a little difference with the English version and Arabic version. The English version is Ta and Arabic version is Ta. Today's new letter is Sa. Everyone say it with me. Sa. Sa. Its sound is Sa. And you will pronounce it like Sa.
Okay.
Put your tongue between your teeth like this. Sa.
Sa.
Yeah, good job. You are doing it very good, mashallah. Makes the sound Sa, like in Salasa and Sob. Salasa means three and Sob means dress. Yay! Can you try? Show your teeth like this. Sa, sa, sa. Wow, that's Sa is in Salab, the fox. Sa is in Sob, the dress. And Sa is in Salasa. Number 3. Friends, can you find the letter Sa among all these letters? Yes, yes. Yay, there it is. Good job. Let's trace Sa in the air like a small curve like Ba and Ta, and then you will put 1, 2, 3 Salasa dots, 3 dots on its top. This is the letter Sa. Very easy. Alif, Ba, Ta and Sa. We learn and laugh. Hooray, hooray. Alif, Ba, Ta and Sa. We'll come back for more one day. Yay!
Yay!
See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye bye.